So here is the second part, and here we go. For the table, sir, it shall be served in. So table is going to be filled up with the plates. For the meat, sir, it shall be covered. So meat is also ready, cooked and well prepared. For your coming into dinner. So what is left? Lorenzo's arrival in the dinner table. Sir, why let it be as humorous and conceit shall govern? So humor stands for rejoicing here, and conceit means intelligence. Let the dinner be governed by intelligence. Let them enjoy the dinner. When we have dinner, basically we converse to each other in order to make the dinner more meaningful and to have some gossip and discussion with each other. Lancelot just wants that very thing from his master. Lorenzo, oh dear discretion, how his words are suited. Oh dear discretion, how his words are suited. So here discretion stands for ability to play with words. How his words are suited. He stands for Lancelot. He has particular premeditative words for each and every action. The fool hath planted in his memory. The fool means Lancelot. We can use the term clown also. Has kept in his memory, has organized in his memory an army of good words. That means a plenty of good words to use at the time of argument. So, to use at the time of argument. And I do know many fools. He knows many a fools that stand in better place. God is like him. And he knows very well there are many fools with many clowns. During that period of time that fools or clowns were integral part of the courts of those kings. Just like in India we have Akbar and Birbal. Similarly, all those English courts did have clowns or fools or jokers to reduce the seriousness inside the court. So many are fools that stand in better place. That means they are doing a better job. Just like they are working under many kings or working in the courts of different courts. Garn is like him. That means the fools do have a special dress. Garn is like him means dressed up. So here not only dressed up means physical dressed up or internal dressed up also. That means their intelligence is also like him, like Lancelot. That for a tricky word defy the matter. Using tricky word, what they do? They just change the matter. They just defy the matter. How cheers to you, Jessica? How are you enjoying, Jessica? And now, sweet, good sweet, say thy opinion. So, how are you enjoying, Jessica? The question asked by Lorenzo to Jessica. And now, good sweet, say thy opinion. How do you like the Lord Bassanio's wife? Tell the way you like or dislike Lord Bassanio's wife. Every time we have got an opinion about Portia from different characters in this drama. Sometimes it is from Morocco, sometimes from Aragon, sometimes from Bassanio. But this is the first time one lady is providing an opinion for for Portia. And we should pay more importance to this very one. Since this is an opinion of a lady towards another lady, which is normally rare. First, all expression, that means beyond verbal expression. So Portia's quality is beyond expression. She was more than good, more than enough. It was very meet. It is very certain that Lord Bassanio live an upright life, means a meaningful life, for having such a blessing in his wife. Such a blessing in his wife means such a lady like Portia is a kind of blessings to him. So Portia is a blessing in disguise for Bassanio. He finds the joys of heaven here on the earth. Bassanio finds the joys of heaven here on the earth. And if on earth he do not mean it, and if in earth he does not mean it, means value, it means Portia, then in reason, then certainly, then truly, he should never come to heaven. Then Bassanio should not come to heaven. Bassanio is enjoying the beauty of heaven here on the earth, and if he fails to value that quality of Portia for whom he is enjoying the heaven on earth, then Bassanio should never come to heaven. Thank you.